Hi, everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy this type of content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up when you arrive. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. All right, guys, we are finally here. We are into the FABFITFUN crazy weeks ahead that are going to be spoilers every single day. So make sure you're subscribed and you have my notification bell on, because what we do here is we go through every day the customization sneak peeks, and then we share in the comments down below what we think about the items and if we've had the opportunity to use them or try them, because sometimes we get repeats. We share with each other so that when it comes down to the choice day, we have a good understanding of what we are going to choose on that day. So if you are an annual, the day that we will be able to do our customizations are on July 29th. That's when it starts. And if you're seasonal, it will be August the 12th. All right, they just released their first early product. So there's only one product that I'm going to be able to share with you today, but make sure starting, I think it is going to be on Monday, is when they're starting to do the sneak peeks, and they're changing the orders of the customizations. So you really need to be subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out and I keep you in the know. All right, so let's get started with what the first sneak peek is. This is the earliest that I've seen them share this type of sneak peek, and it looks like it's a good one. So what they wrote here, they're saying fall is here. While the spoilers are set to begin next week, we just couldn't wait to give you a quick sneak peek. So here is the first look at, and this is called the Vio Air Purifier, and this is a HEPA filter. It is a $99 value, and this is what we're talking about for the fall 2022 box. All right, so let's see what the information is on this. So they're saying you can clear the air and start fresh this fall by adding the Vio Air Purifier with HEPA. This is a filter in your space. You'll be able to breathe deeply, knowing that choosing this item it will be customization 1 will lead to a clean, fresh, and healthy environment. It will remove up to 99% of any airborne particles, including dust, smoke, as well as pollen. They're saying this purifier uses a quiet yet efficient clean air distribution panel and a HEPA filter to refresh our space. They're saying it is a sleek design that fits well in any part of our home or our office. It will include an ABS case, a fan, the HEPA filter, a USB cable that is a micro type 5V1AL equaling 1M, and then a foldable color box with foldable instruction manual. Dimensions of this will be 4.78 by 4.78 by 7.25. They're simply saying how we can use this. They're saying we can plug in the USB cord into the device and then into a power adapted wall or a USB port. We can turn on the device by pressing the power button, placing the device in the treatment space. To turn off the device, we can press and hold the power button until the device turns off. So let me just see, there was a second picture here. Yeah, here we go. So this is the second picture that they had. And the other thing they said was tips and tricks. It says to clean the device, we can wipe with a damp cloth. Do not put any fluids in the device. We have to replace the filter once it turns dark gray. And generally the HEPA filter should charge every 2 to 3 months, depending on the use. The materials of this are ABS plastic, PET skeleton compound, and TPE glue, and the HEPA filter. And this is from the brand called LED Technologies. There is a shipping restriction on this. It cannot be shipped to the UK. So that is our first early sneak peek for the FABFITFUN. Like I said, I am on this, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because as soon as I see what the choices are going to be for each customization, I do a video. And like I said, it keeps us up to date so that before we have those dates that I mentioned at the beginning, which is July 29th for annual, which is what I am, and then August 12th for seasonal. So excited that we are getting into the season for fall. Don't forget, if you missed out, I started our July giveaway to celebrate our 3 years here on YouTube. So I will leave that in the description box down below to make sure that you don't miss out signing up for that video. And then we have five boxes. So you have 5 chances to win if you enter into every single one of the boxes, which if you were me, I would. And then, like I said, you only have to watch one video to have 5 chances to win this giveaway, and it is huge. So if you missed out on seeing that video that we launched yesterday, I will make sure to leave that in the description box down below. Please share with me if you're excited that FABFITFUN fall box is just around the corner, as well as the sneak peeks. If you are subscribed to me to get those sneak peeks, I would love to know. All right, take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon on my next one. Bye for now.